Hi everybody, it's Peter Zalum's Griniflix Adventure 8 and welcome to another video. Today I'm talking about power stations and how they can be used to actually save your electricity bills at home. Can you get off-peak electricity and use it during peak time? That's the question. Is it possible? Off-peak electricity is much cheaper than peak electricity. So you pay by kilowatt hour. So off-peak is around, in Australian dollars, so what is 2023 January, it's about, I think, 20 cents per kilowatt hour. And then if you use that at peak time, you're charged somewhere right up to about 50 cents per kilowatt hour, depending on what plan you're on. So there's probably around 30 cents difference between off-peak and peak. So if you can actually use a lithium power station and charge up your lithium power station with off-peak electricity at 20 cents per kilowatt hour, and then use it during peak time at 50 cents kilowatt hour, effectively saving you 30 cents per kilowatt hour. So how much could you actually save in a year if you did that? Let's have a look at that for different types of power stations. And I'm talking about the iTechWorld power station. So I've got two models to compare, the 1300p and the 500p, and let's do the calculation. Oh, just before I forget, if you buy the iTechWorld power stations or anything from iTechWorld, I can give you an extra discount by using Adventure 8 discount code. Yeah, now that's fantastic, because iTechWorld, they do actually run quite a few specials on their products on their website, itechworld.com.au. But my Adventure 8 discount code is a discount on top of any other discount that's running. Yeah, is that a good idea? So not only can you actually pay for your whatever power station, whatever items you buy from iTechWorld, because they pay for themselves. For example, using power stations to buy off-peak electricity and then use it during peak times. Of course, you can use solar blankets, which will even give you free electricity from the sun. But yeah, you get that extra discount, Adventure 8 discount. So there's a link, it'll be in the video. So use it, that saves you extra money. Isn't that a good idea? Let's have a look at the calculation. So we're talking about itechworld.com.au, and we're going to compare two power stations, the 1300p power station and the 500p. Okay, so you'd save 30 cents per kilowatt hour for one full charge of either 1300p or the 500p. So the 1300p per day, you'd be saving 39 cents. Doesn't sound much, does it? And the 500p per day, you'd save 15 cents per day. So what's that per year? So per year, the 1300p, you would save $142.35. And the 500p, you would save $54.75. Doesn't sound much, but it is still something, isn't it? So the savings per year are these on the 1300p, on the 500p, just charging off-peak and then discharging during peak, then that's effectively the savings that you have. So if you divide those numbers into the purchase price of the units, then the payback period is something around 16 years. Now that it sounds like a lot to wait for a payback period just on the electricity savings through this peak off-peak process. But but that's not dissimilar to actually the type of power systems, solar systems and battery systems you have for domestic households. The payback period is also something around that period. So there you go, eh? Not sure whether this is a surprise or what, but obviously the convenience of having portable power through the power stations is much more convenient than having a system that's controlled by the electricity company on the roof or batteries connected to your house. But anyway, just food for thought. Hope that's been useful. Short and sweet video today. I hope you found it useful. Maybe you can save some money. And if you can, it's great. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then do press subscribe. Press the notification bell, and you'll be notified when the next video is out. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.